Listen everyone. Today we are going to discuss about important topic that is very helpful in coming years. See here, rationalize the denominator of the following. First one I will try. Second one you try it. Okay? Here I would like to take the first one. 1 by 3 plus root 2. I would like to rationalize the denominator. Denominator should be an integer or a fraction. That is the meaning of this question. How to make the denominator as a rational number? We'll try 3 plus root 2 I would like to take in the rough column and take its conjugate. That conjugate means 3 minus root 2. Here I have plus, right? I would like to highlight that so that you get an idea. Okay. Here I have a plus. I would like to take its negative. Here I have plus. I will take negative between 3 minus root 2. Then 3 plus root 2 is a conjugate of 3 minus root 2. Suppose if you see the second question, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. First you should find the conjugate of root 7 minus root 6. Root 7 minus root 6. See here, root 7 minus root 6. Its conjugate is root 7 plus root 6. See here, here we have minus, right? Here we have minus. I take in plus. This is the conjugate of this. This is help to write the denominator as a rational number. Very important. See here, now you should find the conjugate of 3 plus root 2. You should write it down like this. Conjugate of 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2. That is to be taken and multiplied and divided with the given fraction. 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. So one should be multiplied, this one we get 3 minus root 2 is divided by a plus b times a minus b. See, this is a plus b times a minus b. We know a plus b times a minus b. This is a one formula we studied in 7th class. A plus b into a minus b always equals to a square minus b square. Similarly, 3 plus root 2 times 3 minus root 2, we can write 3 square minus root 2 all square. These two get cancelled. 3 square is 9 minus here 2. Square and square root get cancelled. Here we get sum 2. That is 9 minus 2 is 7. So by multiplying these two, we get 3 square minus root 2 whole square by this formula. And then you write it down 3 minus root 2 is divided by 9 minus 2, that is equals to 3 minus root 2 divided by 7. See here, rationalize the denominator of the following. I rationalize the denominator by the help of conjugate of irrational number. Suppose this is also irrational number. I told you clearly it is an irrational and it is an irrational. The difference is irrational. Now I would like to take the conjugate of root 7 minus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. Take its opposite sign, that's all. Here I have minus, I will take the plus. Plus is the conjugate of this one. Very, very important, and you should write it down. Take the conjugate of this one. Here first I would like to write root 7 minus root 6. I will take its conjugate root 7 plus root 6 multiplied and divided with this fraction. Now 1 multiplied with this one we get same thing, 7 plus root 6, because 1 time root 7 is root 7, 1 time root 6 is root 6. Between we have plus, you should write plus, and this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. By this formula, a square minus b square, that is root 7 square minus root 6 square. Again, square and square root get cancelled. We'll get root 7 plus root 6 is divided by, here I have 7 minus here I have 6. That is nothing but root 7 plus root 6 by 1 is nothing but root 7 plus root 6. I got my denominator is rational number. This is the meaning of the question. Very, very important. You try remaining two problems. Otherwise, you will see my channel. We get the remaining videos.